I ain't tripping. I don't really just need to say nothing to the camera, you know. Get it. Okay. But I'm a beast on this bitch. Gotta throw these hands. Nigga run up on me, I drop it where you stand. Me and Tim in this bitch, call him Tim Franco. Frank Lucas, hop up in this motherfucking hole. We some major dope dealers, got the money in my pocket, sell keys by the hour. You know I got that pocket rocket, put it in your face, and I will blow your mouth off, blow your teeth back to your head, then I throw your house out. Nigga, guess what? Knock your brain from your motherfucking spine. Dislocate your cerebellum from your motherfucking mind. It's the fat boy in this bitch, and you know I'm gon' grind. Gotta grind till I die, cause you know it's going down.